Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got Peter Rassenti Small Paysan fully dressed here with me for a quick review. But hey, first of all, I need to say a big thank you to my buddy Guillaume for sending this guy along. And second of all, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content, because this is truly an amazing one, guys. Look at this. This is spectacular. This is the Small Paysan Peter Rassenti custom knife with an overall length of 7 inches, 3-inch long blade and 4-inch long handle. Just a gorgeous piece made in Canada by the master Peter Rassenti. Integral Mokutai handle, Chad Nichols. Really cool indeed. This is not a cheap one, guys. It's gonna run you around $2,600-$2,800, so it's an expensive one. Of course, it's an integral piece, just one solid billet of Mokutai. Would you look at the layers in this billet right over here? Nicely done. Of course, great little blade. Of course, it has a matching Mokutai pocket clip, like nicely machined. It's a very cool one. It's a very good EDC size because it's the Small Paysan. It's not the big one. You've got a nice Wharncliffe blade, very good jimping, nicely rounded off, a little bit chamfered on the spine of this Wharncliffe blade, hollow grind. But of course, you've got this blued dragon skin Damascus, which is just a joy to watch. Dragon skin Damascus is made out of ball bearings, which is stainless steel, and they have been nickel plated and welded together and then colored with some pretty intense chemicals, I believe, and then it gives this look to the blade. Would you look at that? This is just pure gorgeousness. I don't know about the strength of this blade because I'm not gonna try to cut anything because this is not mine, but I heard it's not the strongest of them all, but it's definitely a looker for sure. Very light in the pocket. Is gonna weight it in at 3.3 ounces. The clip is nice, has a nice tension, and it's gonna keep securely the blade attached to your pocket. Sound is very good. Like all Peter Rassenti knives have this very cool sound because the integral handle is creating this sort of magic, and then you've got this nice and beautiful sound. This guy is running on ball bearings, and it's a pretty cool one. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.